Look at that big girl standing up, Grace. Grace, look at that big girl. She's standing up on her own. Say, I'm not even 10 months old yet. I'm going to be walking soon. She's going to be walking soon. Look at that big girl. Look at that big girl. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Get back up. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Look at that big girl. Look at that big girl standing up. Oops. Come on. Good. Aww. There she is. There she is. So you better watch out, Caitlin. She's going to come and get you. Mm-hmm. Yes. Look at that big girl. Yep. Uh-oh.